The first one is 38050 with 70 drive links, oil hole, oil reservoir, full chisel cutter. Let me show you. So this is the first one. The second one is 38050 with 72 drive links. The same thing, has oil hole, oil reservoir, and premium full chisel cutter. Showtime. This is second one, and now the third one. That is 058, also 72 drive links. This one is 81 drive links, oil hole ordinary cutter. It's very difficult to, the chainsaw chain is very difficult to photograph. Okay. The fifth one is this one. 38050 with 84 drive links. Okay, this fifth one. And now this one. This is 114 drive links. Full cutter. I think it's full cutter. Yeah. Oil hole, oil reservoir. We hope you can see this clearly. Okay. And this is a repeat chain. Ripping 75 cutter. Please note that these chains are still under making, so they are not yet in our LA warehouse. They will arrive in about 2 months, less than 2 months, but surely more than 1 month. So this is a ripping chain. Can see that. 114 drive links. So last two we got 325 81 drive links, that is 050, and drive links with dots full chisel. Remember, these are not for sale now because they are not in our warehouse in the United States. Still under making in China now. Oh, last one. Got last one. 32506 381 drive links, full chisel, square. Let me show you the full chisel. Let me show you the cutter. You see that? Yeah, that's all. Thank you.